Papa, I sorry you having surgery. Is that also?
Do you love Grandpa?
Yeah.
But he's gonna be okay tomorrow, huh?
Yeah.
Do you like to go see the doctor?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Are you a brave boy when you go to see the doctor?
No.
You're not?
Yeah.
Is Grandpa gonna be brave?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you blow him kisses? No?
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to tell Grandpa about? We're taking a video right now, Gabby. Is there anything else you want to say to Grandma or Grandpa?
No, I was not gonna say another video.
Okay. Okay. Is there anything else you want to say, Peter?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye.